Going to sleep should be the easiest thing in the world, but let's be honest here, it's not. Old Sleepy here's trying to set his alarm, but that dinosaur of a clock he's got still thinks it's 1994.
Hello, Ivy.
Hello.
Ivy, set alarm 1.
Please tell me the time you would like alarm 1 to sound.
7 o'clock a.m.
Alarm 1 is set to 7 a.m.
And once you're in bed, the real trouble begins. Trying to get to sleep. But why get to sleep when you can drift to sleep?
Play sleep sound.
The way you sleep affects the way you wake up, and the way you wake up affects every single thing you do all day. Don't be like Old Sleepy, a complete and total wreck of a human being. Make the right choice. Hello, Ivy.
How can I help you?